Welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Blaze. Today we are going to create simple flyers, and this is a beginner's tutorial. So I'll go to new to create a new document. Now from here you set the dimension, so the width will be 800 pixels, then the height will be 800 as well. You will change the resolution from 72 to 300, then the background content color should not be white. We will choose black this time around, then we'll click on create. So click on the padlock to convert the background to a layer. Then we will add the basic information to our work. Now from here, go to text, okay, then select horizontal type 2. We are going to add the name of the church. So we will type this last hour. Okay, let us make a copy of the hour. Then you will type something like prophetic ministry. Okay, so you type that prophetic ministry. Now, after typing the prophetic ministry, we have to reduce the size of the prophetic ministry to this size. I think this is quite okay for me. Okay, so I'll just do some kind of arrangement. I'll just arrange it well. Let's zoom out. So this is what we have now. Now let us continue to add more information to our web. So I'll go for this rectangular tool here. Then I'm going to create this kind of rectangle here like this. Okay. From there I'll go to text, horizontal type tool. Then I will type the theme for the church program. So I'll type theme for that. After typing the theme, I'll convert this one to a script. Okay, you can use any font you think suits your design. So I'm going to use brush script for this. Then I'm going to confirm that. Okay, and from there I'll position the theme right on this horizontal line. You can see it has strike to the text. You solve that in very simple way. Now let us look at how best we can do that. So I will select the rectangle layer, then go to rectangular marquee tool, make selection around the theme text. Okay, then from there we can now go to the rectangle and then create a mask for that. Click on Ctrl plus I to erase the layer mask so that we have something like this. So after this, we are going to add the rest of the information, and I'll go to the text again. Then I'm going to type fellowship with. Okay, so let's start typing fellowship with. Okay, it will be something like this. Fellowship with. Then I'll confirm that from here. What I'm going to do right now here is to change the fellowship rate the script to something readable. Okay, although the script is readable, but I prefer using the Taioma for that. Taioma is a default font, so you can find it on your laptop as well. If you can't find it, please do and search for it on Google and install it. So you have fellowship with. I'll make sure it is well spaced. Then I'll position it right under the horizontal line, so you can see I'm just aligning them equally on that. I will make a copy of the fellowship with, then I will change the text as well. So the text is going to be the holy. So I'll make a copy of the horizontal line or the horizontal shape I created earlier. Then I'm going to go for the marquee tool and delete this part. Okay. So now what we are going to do right now is to change the color for this horizontal to this gold or yellow, orange. Anyhow, I think this is quite orange. So I'll select that one and then position this. I'm just trying to add some kind of element of design here, so I will just make a copy of that. Then I'm going to merge it by selecting the two together. Then I'll press Ctrl G to merge the two. Then I'll make a copy of this. And then I'm going to transform that as well. So I'll transform this. Okay. Hold the Shift key. Sorry. Hold the Shift key. Then drag this one to this point so that you have something like this. So this is just an element of design. Now from here we will go and add the rest of the text. So let us speed up with that process because this is just adding text. Now from here we will add the spirit. So fellowship with the spirit, and then we will change the color for the spirit to the orange color. Then we will add the rest of the text. Okay, so the location, the time. Okay, so every day, every Sunday at Cafe Rooftop 6 p.m. Okay, so we are going to add that information. Then we will change from the old text, and then we will use this font, the area around it, because we started with that. We need to make sure we maintain consistency in terms of font here. Okay, then I'll make a copy of the text. Okay, every Sunday at Cafe Rooftop. Then I'm going to add, for more info, contact the following number. So I will do that, and we have that one here. So you can see the whole of this process. I was just adding basic text to it. All these minutes I was just adding it. So I'll just go and import my background. Now this is the game changer of the week. When the background came in, look at the work now. I'll make sure I will stretch it to fit. And now this is what we have. I have the background in the description. You can download it and also practice with it. But the simple thing you should notice that whenever you are creating a church flyer, make sure you go for the church resources. Okay, so look at before. So this is after the whole thing. This is what we're able to do. Okay, yeah, so this is what we have done so far, and it is quite not bad. We have been able to design something. So if you want to design any church flyer, just go online, search for church background, worship with us background. uh Based on the topic, you just search for the background, then you add it, then you are done creating church flyer. If you want to learn more about church flyer, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and we will do more for you. Thank you.